Now, I'm sure most of you know the pattern for TCS as to how it works, what are the different sections that come in, and how many questions you will get, right? However, today we are going to focus on the verbal aspect of it. You will be getting 25 questions and you will be getting 25 minutes to go ahead and answer. And like most of the companies now, verbal section happens to be very, very important when it comes to your TCS selection process of the first round. Okay, so you will get 25 questions and you will get 25 minutes. Now, are we clear on this aspect? If you have any doubt here, let's stop and clarify your doubt here itself. The verbal section, you will have 25 questions that you have to answer and you will be given 25 minutes. Are we clear with this? Guys, you need to respond. You cannot listen to the class silently. I need people to respond. All right. Thank you. Right. Now that I know all of you have a lot of emojis and stuff coming up, which is good. Let's go forward. Now, you will have different questions that will be asked. We will have a test paper which we will run so that you will know what is the kind of difficulty level that you face. However, before we do all of that, let's go ahead and see what all kind of questions come. You will have questions based on grammar. You will have questions based on vocabulary. And you will have questions based on reasoning. Okay, these are the three types of questions you will get. Please be sure that you have this clearly in your mind. Now, when I say grammar, you will get questions based on prepositions and say conjunctions. You might get questions based on tenses. You might get questions based on articles or determiners and so on. Okay. When it comes to vocabulary, you'll get questions based on synonyms, antonyms. Okay. And when it comes to reasoning or verbal reasoning, you will have a sentence or paragraph rearrangement. This is nothing but para jumbles. Okay. This is nothing but para jumbles. Then you will have questions based on reading comprehension. Right? So these are the different things that you will get questions on, or these are the different topics that you will be getting questions on. Now, when I say tenses, it will also be in sentences, as in sentence correction, completion, uh, improvement. We will have all, let me type that also. In grammar itself, you will have sentence correction, sentence completion, which is fill in the blanks, sentence improvement, which can be error identification, it can be spotting the errors, it can be anything. Right? And based on your understanding of language, the difficulty level will be medium or intermediate. Right? So are we clear on this?